Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about my daily planning routine. I have shared with you all in my planner how I have used it for multiple categories of my life. And the very first section that I will usually plan out every single week is my schedule. So my schedule planner is an hourly planner that I will use in order to help me to set up my entire week. I will plan out my meetings, my upcoming appointments, and all of the to-dos that I have to do throughout the week. But when I am setting this up, I am setting it up on a Sunday, which means that a lot of this may end up changing throughout the course of the week. Now, I will make some adjustments as I go. So I will do scratch outs. I will kind of mark all over the page as I need to. But another thing that I will usually do, especially if I'm having a really busy day, is I will set up a separate sheet in my daily planner. So my daily planner looks like this, and this is where I will kind of map out what is going to happen the day of. I do not use these all the time. I only use them when I know my day is going to be drastically different from what I have planned for the week, or I know I'm going to have a busy day and I want to make sure my priorities are straight. So I will replan my day here. But as you can see, I don't use these all the time. I used one on January 31st, February 1st, and then I think it skips to the 5th, the 6th, and then it skips again to the 9th and then the 14th. So it's not every single day that I will use these. And I like to print them one-sided because I will use the opposite side for just taking notes throughout my day. And then I also have some note paper in the back for like my brainstorming section if I need to take additional notes in meetings and things like that. But I use this as a notebook. So this is my main planner, and this is a notebook that I will use throughout the day, but at the very front is my daily section. So we are going to set up today in my daily planner just so I can show you how I would normally use it. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is pull out the notebook, open it up to a brand new daily page, and then I'm going to open up my planner and go to the week that we are currently on and look at the current day. So today is the 16th of February. So I'm just going to write all of the things that I have here on here and then rework and add some additional to-dos. So let's first add in the day. I'm going to zoom you all in to make sure you can see. And the first thing I usually plan is the weather. So it is raining today. So I'm gonna mark off that it's raining. That way I will pack my umbrella before I leave. And we're gonna start off with my schedule. So some of the things that I'm marking off, I've already completed. Like I did my 30-minute walk, and I am starting to film right now. Now, after I film, my girls have a hairdresser appointment, so I'm going to mark that off. And then I want to do some more filming this evening before I go to a conference. And this is for church. I do like to add little icons next to each one of the events that I have, if I'm able to. Some of them I do want to create some additional icons for. All of these are available in my shop if you're interested in them. For breakfast, I had coffee. So I'm gonna just mark that off with an icon. And I'm gonna leave lunch and dinner alone for now. We usually do eat out on Fridays, so I'm gonna leave that blank for now. Talk to my hubby and see how we're going to do this. So I'm gonna leave that blank for now. I'm also going to write in my to-do list. Now, this is where I will usually just jot down the priorities that I have for today. I do have to bring my girls to a hair appointment, so I know that this list will probably be limited to 4 things because I won't be able to get much done. But I am going to write down the videos that I want to film, which I am currently filming my daily planner, and I'm also going to film my weekly plan with me, which will be Sunday's video. So this is it for my main list. Like, these are the things that I definitely would like to get done today. However, at the bottom here, I'm going to add like my wish list, which is like the additional things I would like to get done if I have time, but if not, I'm not gonna worry about it. They are not top priorities, but If I can squeeze them in, it would be a bonus. And most of these are just top things that I will get done tomorrow. So we're gonna try and do some laundry today, and I'm going to mark that off with my laundry basket icon. I also want to run to the ATM to pull out money for my cash envelopes. So I'm gonna use an ATM sticker here and mark in the amount, and this is it. So it doesn't have like a lot of stickers on here, but it has way more detail than my weekly. So if you can see on my weekly, I do have filming on here. I have the hair appointment and the conference that I'm going to tonight, but that's basically it. I can add a couple of things here, but I would not be able to add the full list that I have added in my daily planner. I have a list up here, a list down here, and additional space to where if I needed to write in even more lists, I could down here. Another thing that I said I like to do is add detail on the back. Sometimes I will print these sheets one-sided so that I have space to write on the back. So as things are coming up throughout my day, this is the place where I can take additional notes and be able to transfer that into my planner later on if I need to. But this is how I will use my daily planner. So the difference between the two is basically the amount of detail that I am able to add and how often I use it. I use this all the time. I cannot get through my week without my weekly planner. However, I do not use my daily planner every single day. I will use it only when I need to add more detail or more notes throughout my day. But this is the space where I can brain dump, brainstorm, write out ideas, and just add a bunch of details because I do like to see things on paper. So this really does help me throughout my planning process to make sure that I have thought everything through, and then I can transfer it over into my planner as a to-do list, or I just might be using them together and I might look at something in here and then go here for additional detail. So this is how I use my daily planner, and we are all set up for today. I hope that this video has helped you. And if you've been confused on the notebook within my system versus the planner within my system, hopefully this clears it up. Currently, these are the only two I am using. I was trying to use a home planner and a business planner, but ultimately I just haven't had the time to really dive into all of the different notebooks. So I've broken down and just decided to stick to what I know and what I use the most and the best, which is this one planner to help me to organize my entire life, and this one notebook to help me to organize my entire life. So if I need any notes, it will be in here. If I need anything planned, it will be in here. So let me know in the comments below if you use a weekly planner along with a daily planner, or if you find it redundant. Like I said, I don't use it all the time, but every now and then I do need to pop mine out. And I will see you all in Sunday's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.